Hello guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to stop automatic updates on Windows 10. Okay, you start by going to the control panel. From the control panel you go to the administrative tools. You go to services. Now under services you scroll right down and you will see Windows updates. Yeah, here you can see Windows update. There's a service running, you stop the service. After stopping the service, then you can go to startup type, you go to disable, then you apply. That's okay. So actually right now your Windows automatic update has been stopped on Windows 10. This particularly on Windows 10, and